On Wednesday, 27th November 2024, Edo Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo do one waka-about visit to go chook eye on top the condition of some schools for we state. As they check all the schools, e come talk say the buildings dem dey fall apart, the security bad, and the learning condition not dey okay. The governor come talk say e no sabi the kind Edo Best program wey the past government run, say instead of the program to make life better for every Edo pikin, e thief their chance to get better learning environment. The governor joined body with the Chairman Edo State Universal Basic Education Board SUBEB, Dr. Paddy Yamayama, plus other top government organs then follow am go check some schools like Eweka Primary School for Obazagbon, Oroma Primary School for Amagba Secondary School, and Uyosa Primary School for Uzebu, all dey for Oredo local government area of the state. For a visit to the schools, Governor Okpebholo come talk say the condition of the schools dey terrible, and yet dem dey call am Edo Best. E come talk say in government go fix them and rebuild the schools and bring security, as in talk say the learning condition for the schools no good at all. E come still talk say in administration go make sure say dem correct every wrong thing and ensure say every Edo pikin dey educated as dem dey follow the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Look at this situation of this school. There are children here. This is Edo Best. And for me, this is not acceptable. First of all, two things you are going to do. This school must be fenced. And by Friday next week, I want to come here again to see that work is going on. In the next few days, you will see transformation in this school. And let me also let you know that we are going to correct the wrongs. Our job is to make sure that Edo people are happy and our children are educated.
I paired them, the primary 1 and 2 in one class, then primary 3 and 4 in one class, then primary 6, 1, primary 5, 1.
Primary 1 and 2 do not have the same syllabus, so how do you teach them in one class?
So what they do, when the teacher want to teach for primary 1, he will carry the TC and teach primary 1. They share the board.
So what would the students be doing while they are teaching primary 1? The primary 2 students?
The other class we hold on because they are using one board.
Do they have this?
No.
So how can they master it?
Okay.
So you can see the sorry situation of Edo Best and our Edo schools. So we are here. We have to bring back the hope. We will first of all friend this school because people are encroaching into the school. Then we are rebuilding the school, making sure that it will be habitable for our children to learn. Children are ready to learn. They are happy. They want to learn, but there is no conducive atmosphere for them to learn. We are here. We are bringing the hope back and we will rebuild this school. Then we will employ security guard for this school. We want to make this place a modern school. That is going to be Edo Best.
Chairman Edo SUBEB, Dr. Paddy Yamayama come talk say with the position as Chairman of SUBEB, the governor don't give him orders say every pikin for Edo State must matter. Say every Edo pikin supposed get access to good infrastructure and good learning environment. A constant talk say the former government talk say them build schools here, but them not see anything, no infrastructure, no classroom, nothing for learning. Say but with the leadership of His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, work go start now so that all Edo pikin go get quality education.
Immediately the governor inaugurated us, he gave a marching order that every Edo child must matter, and every child in any school in Edo State must have the basic infrastructure and the overall well-being of their learning process. So immediately we came here yesterday, and what we met on ground was quite appalling. This is the only government school in this community. And sadly, the Coral City, they said their building is just close to this place. But no infrastructure, no learning materials. The classrooms are not habitable. So that's why we came here, and His Excellency immediately said he was going to come here this morning, and work has to begin so that every Edo child can have access to quality education.
Some teachers and people for the area come chook mouth on how the schools stay bad and come throw a salute to Governor Okpebholo for the work wey he go do to rebuild the schools after many years.
Letters to the SUBEB and also OEG, Oredo Local Government Council. As we speak, before resumption, I received a call that I should come to this school, that they are coming to make repairs, so that the community should vacate this building and make sure that they have provide the space. So the community comply. They gave a town hall so that by the time the school is rebuilt by the government, then we can come back to the permanent site. Up till now, nothing has been done. The community have been worried. Myself, I will write, visit through the SMO and all. Nothing has been done.
Mr. Governor Okpebholo, please really need your help in this school. You can see the classroom now. We don't have windows, we don't have doors, and we don't have toilets. There's no toilet, there's no water, and the teachers don't have chairs and table. Please, we need the governor's help so that he can assist us. So that was we need for him. One teacher in a class. Like my class now, we have two classes here, primary 3 and primary 4. Primary 5 and 6. The other one, primary 1 and 2. The other one, KG.
And you have one teacher?
Yes, one teacher, yes.
Teaching all the subjects?
Yes, and we want him to assist us with teachers. We don't have teachers. Thank you very much.
And you can see now our building. We don't have classroom, the board everywhere. So we want him to build our school for us. If you did for this, for us, we'll be very, very grateful.
You are a teacher then?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
We are happy that the governor came today to see how bad the school is. Because this is a primary school I attended. It's 7 days I use a primary school. Thank God that he's here today, and we pray that they should spring into action so that the school can come alive again.
If you look that roof now, we don't know the people where they come. They move on. So the school, even though many parents, they don't carry their children come up for this school. So as it comes today now, all of us, you know, as with the chances, with the happy say, you want to call the parent for us.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisali, TMC TV News.